Good day to you. I'm going to quickly make the stuffed heart. You just need some wool, crochet hook, a darning needle, and a pair of scissors. The first thing you're going to do is make a magic ring and chain 2. So make your magic ring and chain 2. Then you're going to do 3 trebles, which is yarn over twice. Second one more. Now you will crochet 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll do 1 treble, and this counts as the center. So now you've done 1/2. 4 double crochet to do the second half. Then 3 trebles. Pull your yarn to close your heart. Chain 2. Slip stitch into the center of the magic ring. We're going to make that heart a bit tighter. Now, chain as many stitches as you want to. Or, at this point, you can just chain 1 and cut your yarn. And there you'll have a flat heart. Alternatively, you can chain 10 or 15 depending on how long you want it. Slip stitch back into the magic circle. And you'll have a little key ring. Right. And if you have a little key ring, just attach it, but it'll be flat. Alternatively, you can make another heart like this without the top part, without those chain stitches. And you're going to put them back to back and stitch them together. You can either use a darning needle or a crochet hook. So I'm going to quickly use a crochet hook with the color black so that you are able to see. I'm just making a quick slip stitch, and the very first chain stitch, I'm going to go through that and on the opposite side. So it's up to you where you want to go to. 1 loop, 2 loops, back loops, whichever one suits you. So the red heart at the bottom on the table, I just simply made slip stitches across. These ones I'm going to make 1 single crochet, in the next chain another single crochet, in the next 4 stitches, the top parts, I'm going to make 2 single crochets in each. It's quick, it's simple. When you stuff this heart, you can use any type of stuffing. You don't have to necessarily go and buy stuffing. If you have an old t-shirt, something that you're going to throw away that's cloth, please just cut it up and put some inside this heart. Once you've done your 4 4 stitches. You'll put a single crochet in the next 7 stitches. I'm making these to gift to a few children who go to kindergarten, crèche if you live in South Africa. Just has a little thank you. They're in my after classes, and I think they are too sweet. So I decided to make these little stuffed hearts to give them on Valentine's. Right. And you will repeat the 4 stitches with the 2 single crochets in them. Now you see that little hole? Stuff it. Either with stuffing, either with a piece of cloth, anything. I've stuffed the heart. I'm going to make 2 single crochets in that stitch on top, and then 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. At this stage, this heart is finished. You're just going to cut your yarn, hide your tails. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all of the above. And I will definitely see you on the next video. Right there you'll see me using a smaller hook just to hide the tails. And I like to close it up like this. So I bring both of the pieces together and just close up and work that in. On top of that, this can be made in minutes, 5 minutes, so I can make quite a few of them. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. Have an awesome day. Compliments of the Queen Phoenix.